come in. This is our new house for the next 8 months. Wow, what a difference with the other holiday home. This is not a holiday home. Beautiful black tiles.
Let's follow him. This is the kitchen.
Kitchen is somewhat weird, but sufficient.
There.
Dishwasher. Nice big induction plate. Ooh, were you looking for pants?
Yes, that's enough for me.
And more pants. Okay, cutleries. Funny stuff.
And this is, is the living room.
There's a big Philips air fryer.
Wow, that's cool. Hello guys, it's me. And that is the backyard. It's quite huge. It's quite big actually. It's really big. So we will be staying here for probably 8 months until the house is ready. So he's checking all the cabinets and drawers. What are you looking for?
Wow! You want to play games? Cool.
And we have a very big dining room.
What that we can do, Mama?
Dining table.
Have some fun with games.
Yeah. So 2, 4, 6.
They should have.
8.
It's not really clean.
For 8 persons. And this is the living room. That is our neighbor. And another neighbor there.
Okay.
Big television. And they have the fireplace.
Electrical fire.
Electrical fireplace. Can you dance? Can you dance?
How does this work?
Okay, you find out.
Oh!
Cool. Wow, that's nice. It's quite similar to what we bought.
No, very different.
No, the inside. No, it doesn't have the wood. And this is the how does it work?
Oh, that's it.
Take your time. You have 8 months to find out. Oh, that's how you do it. See, I told you, that's how you do it. So this is the, be careful here, Marco. It's quite a huge garden here. Look at that. It's very big.
It's a nice garden.
Very nice garden. Welcome to our new place. After this, we can go upstairs and check the bedrooms. They also have the basement, so we can check that out later. So we're going upstairs. I don't know. Let's go upstairs. Be careful.
That's utility.
And this is the first room. And this is the bathroom. Hello. They have all the towels and hair dryer.
It's a bunker bed, but the down is it's a 2-person, 1-person.
Yeah,
So here you have 1, 2, 3. In the other room, same.
the same.
4, 5, 6. And in the master 2 is 8.
But it's just the two of us here, so
So we can change rooms every night.
you can change the room every night.
What's inside? This is a keep tilt raam. Or if you do like this, you can open like this. And if you do like this, you can open like this. Wait. Like this is closed, and like this it opens. That's
Cool.
weird. Something is wrong here. Trust me.
Okay.
Wait, let me see if this one works. It is supposed to be like this.
Okay, so let's go downstairs. At least they have some cabinets here. We can put our
The
things.
cool thing is, because we are on the second floor, we can actually leave the window a little bit open
Yeah,
and keep the room fresh and cool.
yeah.
Right? You want to do like this? Or you want this? Oh, do you know this one or not?
Let's go back downstairs.
This is a window.
We will have the same, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a window that you can open. If you open like this,
Yeah.
it's for fresh air only.
Okay.
If you click again,
Yeah.
you can open the window. If you leave it like this, the rain cannot come in. You always
Okay.
just have fresh air.
Okay.
So many people just leave this one always open
Okay.
for ventilation purpose.
You can also exercise there. Just joking.
Or to
All right, we're going downstairs to the basement.
do the Halloween.
Ooh, I'm not going here alone. And they have some game room. So they have a game room.
Oh, the washing machine and the dryer are here. Some cleaning stuff here. Bloody old sofa, you don't want to sit. This is table football.
And there's another area. Where's the light here? It's the switch.
Maybe on the wall here.
No, I cannot find it. It's quite dark. Oh, you can also go up here. What is it?
That's another door from the outside. Where did I put the key? Oh, it's in the door. That's the other key.
Okay. I don't know where's the switch. But if you want to have a barbecue, they also have it here. But of course, you have to bring it outside.
Yeah, but that's why you can directly go into the garden there. I saw that door already.
I don't know how to play this.
Yeah, but that was... Yeah,
You don't need to go to the gym.
very good, the bike. I'm going to bike. And wait, a dartboard.
Okay, I don't know how to play that. But Nimrod is very good.
I'm better.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
There's the light switch.
Bye-bye. Upstairs.
Tell me how you feel, is it real? I don't wanna overthink. Is it all for show? I don't know, feeling like I'm on the brink of something beautiful, or maybe terrible. I know I shouldn't ask you to be open with me when I